The human hand is remarkable. It has over 2,500 nerve endings in each centimeter. But what does this mean to the creation of a car? It means even a facility with the most advanced car building technology possible, the human touch is vital. The word Takumi to me would mean being a master of your process, knowing everything about it, machine, equipment, and also the parts you build.
Takumi really kind of means master craftsman. So when we go through the training, we want our members to master their process.
We had static training over on offline area, and then when they had the line, we had several months of online training on practice cars and even offline cars that we could practice on.
We had so many Japanese trainers coming over here. They would teach you or show you different ways on how you can move, and it almost became like an orchestra. It's flowing so smoothly.
Over 1.5 million training hours went into the preparation of Lexus before we even built the first one online.
The process of running Lexus parts and the different checks and things we've been put into place, and we want to keep that edge, so you got to put those things in place to remain competitive.
With the Lexus car, it's a very strict, what we call gaps and levelness, the fit and finish of the car, which makes a Lexus a Lexus. And so when we train them on their sensory tables, they're able to detect what a millimeter gap feels like with their fingertips or a 2 millimeter gap.
The sensory table, there's 4 or 5 different areas that deal with, the acuteness of your eyes. Reaching into a hidden box that you can't see in and have to count with just by feel. Pulling out 3 or 4 different bolts at a time. That way you don't have extra parts going in the car that you could possibly drop and lose.
As far as the sensory training, you run your hand around all of the edges of each part, making sure there's no abnormalities within the gaps.
We let them rely on their sight, sound, and touch to know that it's correct. Those are things that equipment can't do for you. That's what's unique about Lexus Assembly.
I teach them everything that I have learned, and also what we're doing here at K as far as trying to do the same as the mother plant Kyushu of Lexus and becoming that same status of having high quality.
I mean, when you shut the door, you hear that boom, and you're just in your own little world.
From the ground up, we planned the plant, the processes, the equipment, and the installation. Now it's coming to life, and that's just really so exciting to see it come to life.
Every day when I get up and I put this Team Kentucky shirt on and come to work, I know that I'm doing my part to build the best possible car for the customer.
The team that we put together here is very passionate toward the quality of our vehicle, and I hope that all customers will appreciate the craftsmanship that we have in each car.